In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to set up your new 2-arm lanyard stand. Remove all the contents from the box. Attach the vertical pole to the base. Use the supplied Allen key to tighten the base securely. Adjust the pole height positions as needed. Load lanyards onto the arms and enjoy.